AE Smith is a BRW Top 500 private company, delivering commercial and industrial solutions around Australia for air conditioning, mechanical services, energy efficiency and building technologies. Our team of 650 plus professionals is organised into separate but complementary business units, each focused on its core competency, together delivering a partner of first choice single source solution for building owners and property professionals around Australia. AE Smith Service provides proactive preventative maintenance for all types of commercial air conditioning systems. With 135 technicians out in the field, averaging 2 hours turnaround time to deliver paperwork to the office, AE Smith Service looked to a mobile computing solution to speed up the process. By giving technicians a mobile computing solution, they now have the power to complete all their required documentation on the Motorola MC75 mobile computer and send it directly back to the office in real time. The result has been significant savings in both time and money, and not to mention happier staff and a superior outcome for AE Smith customers. With an estimated return on investment of 8 months, AE Smith is ahead of many of their competitors when it comes to mobility. With the service industry heading towards mobility solutions, AE Smith has a competitive advantage that is putting them ahead of the game.
Prior to implementing the Motorola mobile solution, we were dealing with enormous volumes of paperwork from a growing organisation. This obviously required a considerable amount of administrative time, as well as the logistical issues of having the technicians deliver all those pieces of paperwork back into the office. The paperwork included purchase orders, safety documentation, work orders, service reports, and each of these pieces of paper had to be dealt with back at the office. The Motorola solution obviously means that we can bring all those pieces of information back to the office in real time. AE Smith looked for quite a number of years at different mobile computing solutions. We were looking to capture more information to be able to feed back to our clients, make us more accountable, reduce the amount of administrative time, increasing the amount of time our technicians could spend in front of our clients, and dealing with the issues that our clients want us to deal with rather than administrative issues in the background. In all, the search took about 10 years and included searching over in the United States, looking at different products over there, and considering our back office solution, which is Wensoft, and seeing how we could interact best with that. In the end, we finished up with the Motorola mobile solution. Our corporate position is a partner of first choice, and we take that position not just with the clients that we engage with, also with the vendors that we deal with. Motorola certainly positioned themselves with us as a partner of first choice and provided us with support from day one. They provide us with local support, but additionally they've got an Australia-wide network that means that they can support all our remote branches. When we were looking at the mobile computing solution, and in this case it was Motorola, there were a number of features that we felt that we needed in order to deliver the needs of our clients and our technicians. The first was ease of use, and which meant we required a screen size that was easily usable for our technicians. Secondly, we needed a device that was reasonably rugged, because the technicians, they don't mean to be, but they work in a harsh environment and they can be hard on equipment, and the Motorola device met that requirement, and it had to be a 3G requirement. In the early generation equipment that we looked at, transmitting vast volumes of information was just too difficult. The 3G solution means that we can communicate with our technicians in real time and get considerable amounts of information across to them. There were some other nice features about the Motorola device that were suitable to our business, in that it had quite a good quality photographic scanner in it, which meant that we could take photographic evidence of work that we'd conducted and feed that back to our clients. The major benefits that AE Smith have experienced from having the mobile solution is efficiencies within our business, which has resulted in greater time spent on customer service and interfacing with our customers.
AE Smith were looking for a partner that could support them nationally. Our support and service centres were able to give them the peace of mind that they need to continually support their customers with our technology.
Unlike some of the other hardware vendors that were prepared simply to sell us the device, Motorola engaged in the process, interacted with our software vendor, and in fact interacted with the guys from Telstra, because the 3G was coming onto the scene at the same time. The whole process has been one that's been managed extremely well, and all the parties have been very cooperative. And certainly from a vendor's point of view, we're very happy with the experience that we've had with Motorola.
Motorola work closely with AE Smith and their software vendor Wensoft to ensure that the solution worked on our new product, and advancements were made to their software to ensure that not only did the communication run smoothly on Telstra's network, but AE Smith were happy with the solution.
One of the added benefits of dealing with Motorola was their MSP platform. The MSP platform allows us to interact with the devices out in the field. This adds considerable benefit to the solution in that when technicians have any sort of difficulty, we can interact with the device, and as we have updates and the software vendor has periodic updates, we can update the devices without having every technician to deliver their device back to the office. Dealing with a vendor that has a strong local presence was important when we were making our selection. Motorola has got a strong local presence, and as a result, in the event that there's a failure on a device, we can get immediate response from them and in most cases turn the device around in a minimum amount of time.